Very good morning, students. Today we are going to see about a lesson 5, reproduction and modification. Reproduction, production of its own kind. Means repeatedly, production means formation. Formation of the same kind of plant, that is we called a reproduction. And modification means, that is changes occurring in a parts of plant, that is we called a modification. So let's we enter into the lesson. First topic is the reproduction. What is reproduction means? Before we want to know about that in a what are the parts of a plant. Yes, let's see. Yes, this is you are studied from a lower class onwards. What it is: root, stem, leaf, flower, fruit, and the tip of that in a branch, that is we called a bud. Yes, Rama. Likewise, we are studying. This is all we called as in a parts of plant. The fruit inside it is having in a seeds. The seeds it is produce a plant. Likewise, we are studied from a lower class onwards. Yes. So now we want to know that what are the vegetative part, what are the reproductive part. So leaf, stem, root. Okay, this is a vegetative part. What are they? Root, stem, leaf. These are all the vegetative part. Flower, fruit, seed. Okay, flower, fruit, and then inside having in a seed. This is we call the reproductive part. Okay, ma. So what is the vegetative part? What is the reproductive part? You want to know. Okay. The next one, what is reproduction? How it is reproduced? Okay. So reproduction is the process. It is a process. Process means step by step carry on in a plants and animals. Reproduction is the process by which plants and animals produce young ones. Okay. Young ones means of it's in a new baby, that is increase their number. Why it is produced there in its young ones, ma? For increase in number. For example, tomato means it want to produce that in a more tomato. Okay, so increase in number is known as reproduction. That is we called a reproduction. So you see that this is a plant, strawberry plant. It is produced it's in a young ones. Okay, so why it is produced it's in young ones? For increase in number, that is we called a reproduction. The next one is sexual reproduction. What is sexual reproduction? Okay, so sexual reproduction means with the help of a seeds. Okay, you know that what is the seed it has? It is a drumstick seed. With the help of the seed, it is produced that in a from the seeds on which is produced in a drumstick plant, means that is we called as sexual reproduction. From the sexual organ, I mentioned that is the reproductive organ, seed, flower, leaf. Sorry, seed, flower, and then fruit. Okay, ma. So among that, seeds onwards produce means that is we called as sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction means that is without the seed. Okay, you see the drumstick plant, it is produced from the stem. Okay, so apart from that in a seed. Okay, without the seed, the plant it is produced means from the other part of the organ, means that is we called a so asexual reproduction. Okay, ma. So this is the activity for you. Okay, so what are the find how these plants reproduce? First one, you want to know that seed, the plant it is produced from a seed or not. Then it is a stem, the plant it is produced from the stem or not. More than one also it is possible for in a plant. Cutting means that is we cut the plant and keep it that in another one place means it is able to produce. That means we called a cutting. Then next one is a layering means that is in Tamil we have to say as a padiyam போடுறது. Okay, so what we want to do now, that is we are immersed in that in a soil means உள்ளக்க வந்து சாயில்குள்ள நம்ம உள்ளர உள்ளர வந்து போட்டு பதியம் பண்ணி வச்சோன்னா, ஸோ வாட் இட் இஸ் ஹேப்பன், the stem alone it is keep it that way and repeatedly we are allowed to that in a stem part means the stem which part we are keep it in that in a soil that place on which it is produced that in a root. So after we cut it from that in a plant onwards, this part of the plant onwards. Okay ma, so it is produced that in a new plant. This like that means we called as a layering. Okay ma, now see that, so mango means that is you know that we are it is produced from the seed. Yes, nama mango seed potona it is able to grow. Okay, so remaining stem it is keeping means it is able to come. No. Cutting it is possible. No. Layering is possible. No. So potato stem only it is start to grow. Okay, potato it is actually a stem, it is only it start to grow. Banana how it is grow, I think it is in a stem. Yes, we are keep that in a stem part only. Then tamarind. Yes, tamarind it is also it is produced from the stem onwards. Rose it is produced from that in a layering. Okay, and also seeds also some it is possible. Mustard, so likewise you have to collect that in a remaining fully. Mustard, coriander, mango, pumpkin, radish, likewise information collect and send the photocopy of this activity to. Okay, find out how these plants reproduce. Okay, so if it is which is possible means you put the tick. Okay, so you put the tick and finish this activity, send it to me. Thank you.